Fáilte over Cordia, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Gné-Alt, Saol an Déagóra Eochairfhocail lehéin. Ag deir an Seán seo beag mé ábalta Eochairfhocail na hainlíse hiiscint, Eochairfhocail na hainlíse a úsáid. An tácht, the importance. A bheith the Déagóra, to be a teenager. Saol, life. A Eochairfhocail, to see. Gné, aspect or viewpoint. Difriúil, different. Ernoi, of course. Buntáistí, advantages. Míbhuntáistí, disadvantages. Ag buint le, regarding or concerning. Pointe dearfach, a positive point. Soalia, at home. Uaireanta, sometimes. Réitíonn siad go hiontach le chéile. They get on very well together. Déagóra, teenagers. Teilech, a family. Fáinneach, patient. Ní churn siad brú they don't put pressure on. The spás féin, your own space. Ag roinnt seomra, sharing a room. Churn siad isteach they annoy. Búlann si le, they meet with. Cordia nua, new friends. Fálamíonn siad, they learn. Rudaí nua, new things. Isprálum, I really like. Mar hampla, for example. Réitíonn go maith le, I get on very well with. Skull, at school. And is tá mé ábalta, Eochairfhocail na hainlíse hiiscint, Eochairfhocail na hainlíse a úsáid. Slán libh.